In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text in Canva template 2025 step by step. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. Click through to the official Canva website so you're working in the right place. If you prefer, you can use the desktop app, but the process is the same. Once Canva loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account where your designs or templates are saved so everything is accessible. If you're new, a free account is fine for basic text changes and most fonts. On the home page, find the template you want to edit. You can select a design from your recent projects, browse your folders, or use the search bar to look up template styles by keyword, like Instagram post or flyer. If you're customizing a pre-made template, consider making a copy first so you always have the original to fall back on. Open the template, then click directly on the text you want to change. When the text box is selected, you'll see a bounding outline and a blinking cursor if you double-click to start typing. If the text is inside a group, another click will let you edit inside that group. You can now type your new wording or paste in the exact text you need. At the top of the editor, you'll find the font control in the toolbar. It shows the current font name. Click it to open the font panel. This panel lets you browse all available fonts in your account. Hovering over options gives a quick preview of how they'll look. If you already have a font in mind, use the search field to find it fast. Choose a font that matches your brand or the mood of your design and consider readability, especially for smaller text or long paragraphs. With your font selected, adjust the size. Right next to the font name, use the minus and plus buttons to decrease or increase the text size gradually. If you need a precise value, click the size field and type in an exact number. This is helpful for keeping headings and subheadings consistent across pages. If your text wraps awkwardly, try a slightly smaller size or shorten the text so it fits cleanly within the design space. That's it. You searched for Canva, logged in, opened your template, clicked the text, chose a font, and adjusted the size. Canva saves changes automatically, so you won't lose your edits. Give your design a quick scan to ensure everything looks balanced and legible, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.